How to use Wix to make a portfolio website. Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on creating a professional portfolio website using Wix, and I will guide you with the step-by-step through the process of building a professional portfolio from scratch using Wix for free. And they will cover everything from selecting the perfect template and also optimizing your site for search engines. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open your Wix dashboard. Then guys, hit on the top, hit on design site. Then it will take you guys directly to select which template that you want. Then first you need to select with the two options, generate a design with AI or pick a template. Then on the right side, hit on pick a template. So make sure to finish this video until the end. Then we'll show the easy method how you can easily select your portfolio or professional portfolio for your Wix website just without using any apps and also any prior experience. Then guys, first on the search bar on the top, before selecting any template, first you need to go directly to search bar and tap portfolio. Then hit on enter. Then guys, go directly on the left side and hit on personal. Then guys, it will give you a bunch of different personal portfolio for your Wix website. Then I prefer always using the first one on the left side. Then if you want to view, if you want to see this template, just hit on view before editing. As you see guys, if you like this portfolio, just as you see guys, if you like this template or portfolio, just hit on the edit this site on the top. Then guys, it will take you directly to customize your template on your Wix website. Then guys, this is your portfolio on your Wix website. Then the page or the edit section on your Wix website. Then guys, the first guys in the left side, edit element. If you want to add element, add sections, pages, site. Then if you want to customize your template, just double click to this and hit on the top to hit on 100 zoom. Then it will take you directly to see your portfolio in the 100 zoom and how this style looks like. Then guys, first before starting, if you want to add this any section, for example the header section, the welcome section guys, and also the about section. Then guys, if you want to add or remove some pages, just on the top hit on home and then scroll to the bottom and hit on manage pages. Then you will be able to add some pages on your Wix portfolio. Then guys, if you all don't like this menu header or menu section, just double click to menu, then hit on manage or navigate. Then if you want to edit this menu, just hit on manage menu. Then it will take you to add and create a new menu. Just hit on add a menu item. Then you will be able to create a new menu, for example link or sections or anchor. Then guys, after selecting and adding your menu sections, then if you want to remove this style, just go back and hit on pages, add element on the top. Then scroll to directly to menu and anchor. Then go directly and select which design and which theme that you want to use for your menu headers. Then for example the horizontal menus, just double click, it will take you directly to paste it. Then scroll and drag it into your menu section. As you see guys, now your menu was added successfully. Then if you want to remove the picture, for example if you want to add your picture in this home page or portfolio home page, just double click and hit on edit on the left side, edit quick edit. Then it will take you directly to edit this section. First, if you want to remove the color background, for example, just hit on edit change. Then for example select which color, like for example like this or like this, or you can let the color. Then guys, if you want to change this image, just scroll down to the bottom and column background, then change it, for example, and select and add any image that you want, for example. Or if you have already uploaded your images, hit on image. Then you will be able to import image from your computer. Then guys, after selecting and adding the image, go back. Then I will show you how you can easily customize your template, the homepage template. Then the title, for example I am, or if you want to remove it, just delete it. It will not be able and will not be appear on your homepage. The name, for example, on your switch, for example. Then you can easily customize your font, for example, make it blood. Now guys, go to a paragraph. If you want to remove it, for example, just double click also and remove it. Then guys, also the image section. Then guys, if after customizing this main image or welcome image, scroll to about me section. Then also, if you want to customize this about me, also you need to add the color, the section background color, change it. For example, if you want to add image or colors, for example, like this or like this or like this, I prefer like this. Then guys, after adding the colors, go back and select and edit the title, the paragraph, and the button view, follow, resume, or welcome you. For example, welcome or thank you. As you see guys, this is the easy method. Then go directly to this featured videos. If you want to add some videos, if you don't like this section, make sure to select these sections, for example like this, double click, then hit on delete on your keyboard. Then it will be deleted successfully. As you see guys, your section was deleted successfully. Also delete. Then guys, it will take you directly to the next sections. For example, this contact sections, if you want to remove this background colors or background image, also hit on edit and the left and the right side. Then guys, it will take you directly to edit this image background. First select this section, the contact sections, then the change and make it all. If you want to just select the color like this or like this. Then guys, scroll down to this photo section. If you don't like this photo sections, or if you want to add a new section, just go back and hit on layout on the right side and add a section. Then it will take you to directly to add a section, for example business info, for example like this. Then hit on business info. Then you need to select which template that you want to add it to business info, for example like this or like this, to it give you a bunch of different template, for example like this. Then guys, after adding this template, you can easily also remove this page on your section on your portfolio. As you see guys, this is the easy method to edit any part of your portfolio without using any application or any prior experience. Then guys, after selecting and editing your portfolio, make sure to hit on publish. Then you will be able to share your link or your portfolio link. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.